Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for visiting 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. My name is Matt Sr. If you don't know, I am the CEO and founder. So today's video is on a piece of equipment that you don't normally see in our shop. This is one of the Sho-Me aero boards. This is their 53-inch version. Here's the really decent little controller that comes with it for ease of operation. It's a very simple installation. Couple fork terminals connected to a couple screw terminals on the back here, all color coded, real simple. So this is a brand new unit that we obtained through a trade-in. Had a customer that had this, brought it in, wanted us to install it. Once they saw our Fusion aero board, they decided that would better suit their vehicle. And the performance and brightness, of course, I'm sure, twisted their arm. So here we have this one in the shop, and it's actually brand new, never installed, and it's also for sale. Now this is for sale only locally as of now. I may decide to ship it if somebody really wants it or needs it and they're not local enough to come pick it up. But it comes with everything that normally does from the factory. It comes with a bracket to mount the controller. It comes with the power and ground leads, instructions, and look at this little nifty connector here. So this is a mountable connector, just like you would mount for a trailer. You know, you mount this to whatever surface you're mounting this to. And then it would be a plug and play kind of situation. So this is a 10 light head aero board. These are actually very nice, pretty decent quality. I'm not 100% sure on the warranty that these have. I would believe these would be 5 years because I do believe Sho-Me does manufacture these by themselves. I don't believe these are imported. This is their normal 5 millimeter LED potted kind of light head, I guess. In amber, obviously, as the traffic advisor. So folks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video real fast. We're going to hook this up, and then I'm going to show you kind of what it does. So just give me 1 second. We'll be right back. All right, folks, welcome back. So I got this all wired up. I'm going to show you some very simple operations. This only has a few options here. So it has a regular warning mode, which I'm going to turn on right now for you. Darken the camera a little bit for you guys. Okay, so you have that warning mode, and then you have one more warning mode, which incorporates all of it. I guess that would be considered your center out. There's your left arrow. And that would be your right arrow. In the warning mode, I guess, overrides the arrow. There's your center out. So if anybody is interested in purchasing this unit, give us a call, 412-708-6732. You can always shoot us an email at 412psecustoms@gmail.com, and someone on our sales team will get back to you. If you guys like this content and you want to see more, please smash that thumbs up button. Leave your comments, concerns, requests, anything you would like down below. We love reading them, and we love responding to all you guys. If you haven't already, we would appreciate if you would smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to make sure you are notified of all of our uploads. From my family and our full team, we truly appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in. Until next time, be safe out there.